Bonjour, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history in 1976, NASA publicly unveiled its first space shuttle, the Enterprise. In 1956, Norman Buckley had smashed the world water speed record in his motorboat, Miss Windermere III, at an average speed of over 79 miles per hour on Lake Windermere. And in 2001, after 6 days following the 9/11 terrorist bombing in New York City, Wall Street opened for business and resumed trading, ending the longest shutdown since the Great Depression. At the end of the day, the Dow Jones had lost a record 684 points, its worst ever one-day drop. Our quote of the day comes from Earl Nightingale. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Important news. Remember that in-person instruction is coming up Monday, September 21st. Those attendance times are mandatory for all those classes at each of the scheduled times. As well, this is your last opportunity to complete all of your RenStar tests. You're going to be receiving those scores first thing next week, so make sure you are taking all of those tests. If you missed the Parade of Prizes last Friday, remember there is another one next week, so be sure to stay on top of your Kickboard dollars. As well, tomorrow, join us for our YouTube Live Fun Friday celebration from 12 to 12:30. Your teacher is going to post a link in the chat box tomorrow. We've got quite a few birthdays today. Let's celebrate Andrea Davis. Happy birthday, Andrea. Happy birthday to Andres Molina. And happy birthday to Stephanie Lopez. If you see them in your classrooms, please feel free to give them some shout outs and birthday props. Let's see what's for breakfast and lunch today. On today's menu, we have breakfast cereal and cracker pack. Lunch is a calzone with zesty lemon broccoli. Sounds delicious. Remember, your core value of the week is no excuses. Never do things halfway. Answer all your questions on tests and assignments, even if you don't know the answer. Your teacher won't know what to help you with if you don't at least try your best. We will always meet you halfway, scholars, so take those steps first. This is Mr. Roussel, dabbing out. Y'all have a fantastic day, Inferno.